Each stellar coin is worth 2.8006 grams. The range of prices right now is 2.7342 to 2.8627, and the price at the end of the previous day was 2.7864. Plus 0.0142 plus 0.51 backwards rate ZAR to XLM was the difference. Stellar cost prediction 4, and soon and this month. On Monday, July 31st, the predicted price of a star was 2.76 rands, with a high of 2.95 and a low of 2.57. On Tuesday, August 1st, the predicted price of a star was 2.66 rands, with a high of 2.85 and a low of 2.47. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the predicted price of a star was 2.78 rands, with a high of 2.97. Stellar speculation on Thursday, August 3rd, cost a high of stellar's price was 3.30 rounds on August 4th. The high was 3.53 rands, and the low was 3.07. Stellar betting on August 7th costs 3.27 rounds. High and low, 3.50 rounds and 3.04 rand. Stellar price prediction on August 1st was 3.32 rands, with a high of 3.55 and a low of 3.09. Stellar price prediction on August 2nd was 3.08 rands, with a high of 3.30 and a low of 2.86. Stellar price prediction on August 3rd was 2.63 rands, with a high of 2.81 and a low of 2.45. Stellar price prediction on August 4th was 3.05 rands, with a high of 3.26 and a low of 2.84. Stellar on August 9th, the stellar price prediction was 3.00 rands, with a high of 3.21 and a low of 2.79. On August 10th, the stellar price prediction was 2.96 rands. Stellar price forecast on August 11th was 3.03 rands, high 3.24, low 2.82. This happened over the course of 3 weeks. Stellar price prediction on Monday, August 14th, was 3.07 rands, with a high of 3.28 and a low of 2.86. Stellar price prediction on Tuesday, August 15th, was 2.96 rands, with a high of 3.17 and a low of 2.75. Stellar price prediction on Wednesday, August 16th, was 2.90 rands, with a high of 3.10 and a low of 2.70. Stellar price prediction for Monday, August 21st, was 2.79 rands. Low 2.59 rounds, high 2.99 rounds. Stellar's price will be 2.74 rands on Tuesday, August 22nd. Low 2.55 rounds, high 2.93 rounds. How much Stellar will cost in 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027? High 2.74 rands, low 2.93 rounds. Stellar cost predictions for November 2023 ranged from 4.56 rands to 3.67 B, with 4.56 rands being the highest price and 3.67 B being the lowest. 4.19 stellar price figure for the months and 3.95 change for November. 13.4 stellar price figure for December 2023 was originally set at 3.95 rands, but the high price was 4.90 and the low price was 3.95, so they found the middle point of price. 4.63 stellar cost estimate toward the months and 4.64 change for January. 1.3 stellar estimate for February 2024 to start with cost at 4.64 rams, exorbitant cost 5.76, while low cost 4.6 for the found the middle value of cost 5.45 stellar cost estimate toward the months and 5.47 change. For spring. 1.7 stellar estimate for April 2024 to start with cost at 5.47 rounds, exorbitant cost 5.95, while low cost 5.09. The found the middle value of cost 5.17, found the middle cost value 5.54 stellar price gauge for the next few months, and 5.56 change for April. 1.6 stellar price forecast for May 2024 started out costing 5.56 rands at a high price of 5.83 and a low price of 5.07. They came to a middle point of cost 50.48 stellar cost figure toward months and 5.45 change from a 2 stellar figure. June 2024 started out costing 5.45 rands at a high price of 6.76 and a low price of 5.45. They came to a middle point of cost 6.00 stellar cost figure toward months and 6.32 change for June 16.0 stel 6.07 stellar price guess about the end 6.17 change for the month of August 6.9 expected stellar cost for September 2024 before anything else cost at 6.17 rands 6.71 well low cost 5.83. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.25 stellar price guess toward the months and 6.27 change for September 1.6 stellar price guess for October 2024 before anything else cost at 6.27 rounds excessive cost 6.27 while low cost 5.12 they arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.79 stellar price guess towards stellar price estimates for November 2024 range from 5.50 rands, which is a low price, to 5.98 rands, which is a very high price. The average price, which Costco found, is 5.57 rands. Hovered near $29,500 on August 10 as markets braced for a fresh United States Consumer Price Index, CPI, print. Trader warns of Bitcoin downside despite CPI volatility. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC price action stabilizing in the run-up to the CPI release, itself a classic volatility catalyst. CPI is one of the key elements for the Federal Reserve when deciding interest rate policy. Last month's June readout was the lowest in 2 years, with expectations broadly pointing to another drop for July. 3.3% are the expectations, but are we going to get it and what will the markets do? Michael Van de Poppy, founder and CEO of trading firm 8. Queried in part of an X post on the topic. Van de Poppy noted that there appeared to be a chance that CPI could rise, something which would pressure risk assets, including crypto, which favor looser Fed policy. JP Morgan Chase was among those warning of a re-acceleration in CPI values. The major uncertainties concerned 2 issues that were previously seen as unlikely to undermine the July numbers: the direct and indirect price pass-throughs of the recent increase in energy and food prices, and the relative stubbornness of service inflation, economist Mohamed El-Arian explained in part of the day's analysis. With CPI today, I think bitcoins and crypto are going to give us some fun and games, but ultimately,